We worked with Citizens Advice Cornwall. They were looking to engage with older people about how they wanted to access their services, um, especially given that they were kind of increasingly pushing their services into a kind of digital stream during the pandemic. And so they wanted to engage and kind of run a survey with their previous service users about how they would want to digitally access their services going forward. And so we kind of advised them on kind of some of the insights that we have in terms of how to design surveys, how to recruit people in ways that kind of give you a good, reflective, honest kind of opinion as much as possible from kind of people answering the survey. And so they found that kind of insight in how to design surveys, how to reach people properly, quite invaluable, I think. We delivered this business support through was all about barriers for older people, especially in particular with regards to employment with small businesses. And so understanding those kind of digital barriers, that was an important part of the puzzle from our point of view. And so the findings that they found through the survey, which we helped them to design, then kind of fed back to us and kind of informed our project and how we were thinking about and framing this idea of barriers for older people. So I think that there was kind of a two-way kind of exchange of ideas in that sense. But actually our skills are much more transferable than perhaps we may originally think, in the sense that we may think that we do our research in a very particular niche subject and that the techniques, skills that we have acquired to do that are only applicable in that situation. Whereas I think once you start engaging with businesses about their needs and once you start to realize that actually many of our skills are quite transferable in the sense of businesses may want help, for example, understanding what academic literature says about a certain topic, which are kind of skills that are pretty universal amongst researchers and quite easily transferable to other areas. And so I'd say that that's probably one of the main things in terms of starting to appreciate the value of our skills in terms of being able to support local businesses.